Welcome to the Explainer. Why are Simulink engineers totally ditching manual verification for EverTest? Let's jump right in.
Are you seriously still dragging blocks by hand to build test harnesses? Man, that eats up hours.
That kind of spaghetti wiring just doesn't scale. But EverTest? It's a total game changer. Watch this. You literally just point EverTest at any subsystem, click once, and boom, harness generated. It instantly reads your interfaces, automatically whipping up source and sync blocks, plus an Excel spec. Got complex sequences? The Typic closed-loop setup just feeds through and documents those signals right from Simulink.
Or, switch to an open-loop simulation so you can manually tweak that newly recorded data.
Now, here's the absolute kicker. One-click SIL and Pile back-to-back testing effortlessly proves your model's equivalence. It compares model outputs against C code in a flash. Green means you're good. Red exposes failures. Plus, you get one-click Simulink coverage. We're talking decision, boundary, and MCDC metrics, all super accessible. Forget juggling reports. EverTest handles intrinsic exclusions and merges the whole shebang into one neat document. Run into an issue? The built-in step-by-step debugger visually hunts down structural model problems while you execute. Okay, let's talk compliance. ISO 26262 demands absolutely rock-solid traceability, from source all the way to verification. You can seamlessly trace unique IDs from Word right into your Simulink annotations and straight into EverTest. The traceability matrix makes it foolproof. Green is verified, red is missing, and yellow? Just pending.
The real payoff here? Every single run spits out an audit-ready, fully traceable HTML report, automatically.
And honestly, that's why engineers switch. Zero manual setup, lightning-fast verification, and incredibly painless compliance. So, are you finally ready to stop dragging blocks around and start doing real engineering again?